You're looking at a Class B motorhome that doesn't try to impress you with hype. Instead, it quietly changes the way you think about van life the moment you sit behind the wheel. This is the Coachmen Beyond, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why so many buyers see it as the sweet spot between freedom, comfort, and real-world drivability. Welcome back to Next Gen Motorhomes. If you want honest RV breakdowns that actually help you buy smart and avoid regret, hit that subscribe button now and stay with us. Because today we're taking a real-world look at the Coachmen Beyond Class B motorhome, not from a brochure, but from the perspective of how it actually feels to live with. The first thing you notice with the Coachmen Beyond isn't inside. It's how normal everything feels while driving. Built on the Ford Transit 350 HD chassis with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 and a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this rig accelerates confidently, merges without drama, and stays composed at highway speeds. You don't feel like you're piloting an RV. It feels like a well-equipped passenger van with extra weight handled properly. Long drives feel less tiring, tight roads feel manageable, and parking lots don't trigger anxiety. That alone makes the Beyond appealing to buyers who want freedom without the stress of a big rig. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 safety features add another layer of confidence. Blind spot monitoring, lane awareness, collision alerts, and the available 360-degree camera system make everyday driving safer, especially for first-time RV owners. This is a motorhome you can confidently hand to a spouse or drive through cities without second thoughts. Once parked, the Beyond immediately shows its personality. Step inside, and instead of plastic camper vibes, you're greeted by hardwood cabinetry, clean lines, and a layout that actually makes sense. The interior height gives you breathing room, and large windows pull in natural light, so the space never feels boxed in. Whether you're parked in a forest, at the beach, or in a quiet rest area, the view becomes part of the experience. Now let's talk about one of the most important parts of daily life on the road, the kitchen. This is where many Class B motorhomes cut corners, but Coachmen didn't. The induction cooktop heats quickly and safely, making it perfect for quick breakfasts or full dinners. You've got a deep sink with a pull-out sprayer that makes cleanup realistic, not frustrating. The compressor refrigerator keeps food cold consistently, even when you're off-grid, and the convection microwave or air fryer setup lets you do more than just reheat leftovers. Picture pulling into a scenic overlook, cooking a warm meal without leaving the van, and realizing you didn't sacrifice comfort to get mobility. That's what this kitchen delivers. Dining in the Beyond feels natural, not improvised. Swivel cab seats and adjustable tables turn the front area into a real eating and working space. Morning coffee, laptop open, rain tapping on the roof. This space works whether you're eating, planning routes, or answering emails. It's not flashy, but it's practical in a way that matters over weeks and months of use. As night falls, the Beyond transitions smoothly into a sleeping space. Depending on the floor plan, seating converts into a comfortable bed setup designed for real rest, not just good enough. The cushions support your body, ventilation stays balanced, and the layout never feels claustrophobic. You're not climbing over cabinets or squeezing into awkward corners. You fall asleep easily, wake up rested, and that's something long-term travelers truly appreciate. This is where the Beyond quietly wins. It doesn't exhaust you. The bathroom is another area where Coachmen made smart decisions. Instead of portable solutions or awkward compromises, you get a proper wet bath with a one-piece fiberglass shower, toilet, and sink. It's compact, yes, but functional. You can shower indoors, use the toilet comfortably, and clean up without feeling like you're camping rough. For couples and solo travelers, this setup strikes the right balance between space efficiency and real usability. Climate control and power systems are where the Beyond separates itself from entry-level vans. The Truma Combi system provides efficient heating and hot water without relying on onboard propane, which is a big advantage for cold weather travel and stealth camping. Air conditioning options handle hot days, and the Victron inverter paired with a generator and available solar setup keeps everything running smoothly. Whether you're charging devices, running appliances, or staying off-grid for days, this system is built for independence. Storage in the Beyond is smarter than it looks. Overhead cabinets, underseat compartments, and well-placed storage areas let you pack for real trips, not just weekends. Tank monitoring systems remove guesswork, and balanced water capacities support multi-day travel without constant refills. This is a van built for people who actually use their RV, not just admire it. Now let's talk price, because this is where expectations meet reality. Many shoppers come in thinking all camper vans live in the same price bracket. The Coachmen Beyond doesn't play that game. New models typically land in the mid-six-figure range depending on options, drivetrain, and power upgrades. And here's the emotional shift. When you realize what you're paying for isn't just a van, but a fully functional, well-engineered mobile living space that drives like a vehicle and lives like a home, the price starts to make sense. It's not cheap, but it's intentional. So who is this motorhome actually for? This is for couples who value mobility but refuse to give up comfort. It's for solo travelers who want confidence, safety, and reliability. It's for people who want to travel farther, stay longer, and stress less. If you need massive space or sleep a family, this isn't your rig. But if you want freedom without compromise, the Beyond delivers. Now here's the real question. Are you ready to stop choosing between comfort and drivability? If this motorhome fits your lifestyle, comment Beyond Life below and tell us where you'd take it first. Make sure you're subscribed, because in the next video, we're comparing this directly against its biggest Class B competitors, and one of them might surprise you. Thanks for watching Next Gen Motorhomes. We'll see you in the next one.